Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of uh, launcher on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on this sign to search about Netflix app, like this, Netflix. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to